Hey guys, today we're in Google Classroom. All right, Unit 1, Lesson 3 is where we were before spring break. We're going to go back to there now, and we're talking about resources and transforming resources. And so today we're going to start the Design a Brace assignment. And when you open that assignment, it is going to ask you basically to do some research on braces in general, like leg, arm, back, neck braces. Find out how they are constructed. And your friend falls out of a tree, their arm looks strange. What kind of items could you create a brace with until that you can get help? Okay, and so it's going to ask you about some things such as um, non-durable items, durable items, um, natural versus synthetic materials that you might create a brace out of. Um, and then what are the parts of a systems model do resources fall into? Explain your answer. So if you remember, the systems model is input, process, output, and feedback. And our resources, time, information, materials, people, energy, capital, tools, and machines, those always fall under the input section. But particularly tell what some of your resources were and how those would fall into the input section. Okay. Um, and so work on coming up with a brace to help your friend out, and then you're talking about what are some of those resources that you used. Were they durable? Did they last a long time, etc.? If you need to reference some of those words, such as durable, non-durable, synthetic, in this transforming resources PowerPoint, are some of those terms which you can look at to help you as you complete this assignment. Again, if you have questions, please email me, or you can call me 336-835-3858. And I do have my school phone connected to my cell phone, so I should be able to get that. And I hope you guys are doing well. If you have anything that you need, just let me know. And we're going to continue on trying to move with class as normal. But again, today your assignment is design a brace, um, and we will kind of take it day by day and go from there. This assignment will probably suffice for today and tomorrow, so Thursday and Friday of this week. Thank you. Look for updates. Keep checking your email. Let me know if you have questions.